Right, I'm going to demonstrate to you just how easy it is to collapse the GetGo. First of all you do to get the carrycot off is lift this lever here, and that lifts off really easily. Put that over here. And then to collapse the chassis, all you do is, to make it as small as possible, just reduce the size of the handle by pushing it in here. And then to collapse it, all you do is this button here, lever here, and there you go. To open the frame, again, super easy, flip the lever and you simply just pull it up like this. Then to put the carrycot back on the frame, all you do, it simply clicks in really easily, like so.